Look at these chicks here. They just living their best life. Having fun. Digging in the dirt. Getting a little dust bath. And look, turkey's right along with them. Yeah, it's a young white turkey. I got two. Another one over here. Thinks it's a big dog hanging out with the big roosters over here. Of course, we got the rest of the pack here. A couple of Canadian geese, some French Toulousa, a magpie duck, a couple of mallard hens over there underneath the chair. My other big female Toulousa, she's over there, along with one of the other Canadian geese. That over there is Wilma. Fred is coming out the pen right now, looks like. Yep. We're just chilling out here. It's kind of muggy, but I tell you what, this shade cloth that we put up sure has been a huge help. If you guys like this or want to see more like this, put it down in the comments below. Also, let me know what you guys do to keep your animals cool during the day and hydrated.